Programmers. So I created this video for who wanted to learn more about Cursor AI, how to exactly use it with the simple example. So to keep it really very simple, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start building the simple e-commerce application for any cloth website. Okay, let's say men cloth website or something like that. We will start selling jacket, shoes or something like that. Okay. Now to start with, what you needed is this ID to be like definitely the Cusror AI ID, and the second thing, just open the browser. Just two things, keep it simple. If you start following with me, that would be great because you can literally hit the commands or the prompts which I'm following over here, so that you will get an understanding that what's going on. And if you have any question, please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe as of now. Please do it now. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, let me open the command prompt. I don't have anything over here. So first of all, what we wanted is that we have to create the e-commerce application. To start creating the e-commerce application, first of all, you have to have a project structure ready. You can ask Cursor AI to create your project structure, but I would highly recommend you should start creating your project structure first. How to create the project structure? Definitely create the project by itself. So I'll be creating React app at latest and then e-commerce application in TypeScript. This is what I'm gonna create over here. So that will be creating over here. Now the thing is that in the meantime, what you have to do over here, you have to type Control L and then it will open these three things on the right hand side, that is chat, composer and bug finder. So let me explain what are those. So chat is nothing but definitely a chat prompt where you can ask anything. So what it does is it will go to your directory structure and read all the files, literally all the files, and then based on those files it will suggest you that what you have to change, what you have to create, what you have to update or delete, everything done by that chat. What is composer, by the way? So composer is nothing but it will do other thing. It composes multiple things, and it is responsible for taking action for updating the files directly. Okay, while the chat, where you can where you have to go and update the file individually. I'm gonna give you both examples practically, and then you will understand what's going on. Bug finder is same, that if you find any bug on command terminal or something like that, it by default it will run like that. That is much theoretical part. Now let's get started with the Cursor AI. So first of all, I'm gonna go inside and open this new terminal. So see this one, I kept this open. Okay, once that is open, now again you have to open the terminal. I'm gonna go and open this one here. I don't want just one. Okay, so Control L. So this is the command line and this is the Cursor AI. Okay, so first of all, here what you have to do, directly run npm start and keep this browser open. Okay, you are getting this error, that's fine. You need to install one package. Just go here and check the package which is coming, this package AJV, and then run it. It should be resolved now. npm start, and if you go here, and see, that's how you can run it. Okay, now the thing is that once you run that one, now ask Cursor AI, okay, can you create a home page to show a list of products for an men online shop. Keep it simple. Each product must contain a card with image, product name, price, description, and that's all. Keep it simple for now. those are the things. Now the thing is that is there. Okay, I'll keep it simple, really very simple, and then I'll ask as well one more thing. Also create nav bar and footer which must be common for all other pages. Now that command I already written there, that is in chat, that's fine. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell that, okay, what you have to follow the instruction. So you have to go to in React.js docs. So you have to say get that one, all the docs over here, learn React, that's fine. Get this one, this particular doc, and then what you have to do is over here you have to type shift at, and then it will give you all those files. You have to go to these docs and then select and add a new doc and then paste this link. So what it is doing, you are telling that, hey, you are telling the Cusror AI, hey, go to this particular URL and read all the instructions, all the docs for you before you start implementing the project, right? If you hit enter, it will go and see that it will fetching entire instructions there, and then you can have your all the values available, all the indexing, all the instructions ready for you to use that one. So let me go and create that one, React docs, and then hit it. So it is telling like, okay, so we got React docs over here. Okay, so that's how it will be assigned over here. Now one thing, second thing is that we wanted to have material UI docs. So same thing, I'm gonna go over here, and then here I'm gonna select docs and material docs. I'm gonna get this one, go back and add a new doc. Same like as I already opened this one, I'm gonna click this one, add a new doc, and hit enter, and then select that MUI docs, and then we got that one here, right? MUI docs and those two things. So here I'm gonna go and select docs and add a new doc. I'm gonna just type MUI, which gets that value. See, that is indexed, and that is created by me at 147 AM. So this is what we have to instruct. So these instructions will be applied on this particular project based on those two updated document. So that's the important thing, that those instructions you have to follow, and that's it. You have to follow these instructions, and then it will start creating the project. But the thing is that I don't want to hit this one, because I just want to tell you one of the most important part is that I'm just gonna cancel this. Instead of if I go back on the docs, we have those many docs right here. So I'm gonna quickly delete this doc and this doc, because the one important point which I wanted to tell you is that this one, if I type doc, see, I don't have that one MUI and the React.js, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type docs, but over here I'm gonna directly start typing React. See this one, React. So React, and it says official, right? That is already added by Cusror AI. Okay, so almost all Cusror directories have been added in the Cusror itself. So you don't even go to the particular website to read the docs. Just literally type shift at, and then it will give us all the instruction where what all docs are available. Hit it, and that's fine. One thing. And the second thing, we wanted to have material UI, right? That is available too. That is that I'm gonna add one more point saying that please make sure to give me best look and feel, so that the pages and the page and components of it should be visible clearly. That could be the second last instruction here. Okay, so if I hit it now, see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna put it myself here. I already kept this one open, by the way, right? So it's creating all the instructions. I kept this one open. Now the thing is that, see this one, what it is showing, it's creating everything. Now as soon as it creates that one, see, it is asking me that okay, we haven't installed these material UI, React, style component, each and everything, right? So we have to do those things, right? Now the thing is that I can do like homepage implementation. I have to go over here, and then src app.js. Inside src app.js, I have to update each and everything. But the thing is that I don't want to manually go and copy paste those things. I just need to copy and paste it there. I don't want to do those many things. So instead of manually applying those instructions, what you can do, you can use Composer. Now you can see the difference now. Okay, so you have to go to Composer and hit it over here one more time. It's everything. So I have to upgrade that one. Actually, I'm gonna go and just quickly get that one. Well, now the thing is that that won't come up over here. If I go back and just hit it one more time and show you, now see, this one, the cloudy 3.5, that is really powerful. It checks entire thing from your directory structure, and then give you that what you have to achieve over here. So as you can see over here, it is like first create a new component folder and add these files. It is telling those many things. Now the thing is that I don't want to do like those many things manually. You can see that I'm not doing anything. It is like taking all my instructions and then applying each and everything. And based on, that's why I was telling that if you get any question or something like that, you can follow those instructions and then you can resolve those things. Okay, we already installed this particular thing which I want to install one more time. It's installing those many things. Now the thing is that as you can see, if you go up here and then see that navbar is there. Now the thing is that if you hover over on this one, click it, it is creating components folder and the navbar. You just need to wait, okay? And it is that is installed over here. That is like that pasted entire code over here. That's fine. And then you have to either accept over here, or you can select the accept file over here. You selected that one there, that's fine. Now the second file is that footer. You have to apply for footer. This is apply for footer. Again, it is telling that you have to create the footer at the like src components, not in the navbar. Yes, create that one, the new footer. That is created that from there. I am selecting yes. The third point is that product card. You have to create the product card. Definitely have to create product card. So that would be like inside the components product card. That's fine. And then finally you have the app.txt, which is there. You have to update that one. So I'm gonna accept this, and then app.txt. See, until now nothing got changed. Yeah, everything is as is. Now if I go back over here and then run this one, and then as soon as I run that one, I have to see the changes quickly, which I'll show you that how that will be looking like this one. Boom. So nothing much. I did nothing. Everything has been created by itself. So like literally in one hand, I did nothing. Like I said, like, okay, this is what you have to do. This is those many things, those many instructions you have to provide and everything. I did nothing. So now those are not clickable. See, it has added the instruction, the footers and everything, homepage, products, about. Definitely other things are not working as of now, but that's fine. That's fine. We can see that those many things available now. Let's add product details page. Okay, so I'm gonna add like can you add product details page. Okay, now again same thing, you have to keep repeating your instructions that okay, use React official document plus use material UI. So those two instructions you have to keep repeating, and then over here you can ask like, can you add a product detail page which contains images, which contain the product images in carousel, plus again product variants such as size, colors, etc. Size, color, and availability of the product as well. Okay, so I added that one there. One more thing that I'm gonna add, like also add add to cart button, add to cart and buy now buttons. If now I'm gonna giving one more instruction. If user clicks on add to cart, I would say like add to cart button, it should add the item in the card list, and the card icon must be updated in the nav bar, like that. First thing. Second thing is that in the cart, then I'm also telling that, okay, create cart page to show the items added in the card, which can be where more items can be added or removed. Also the product increment and decrement can also be performed. So now the thing is that instead of adding all those instructions in the chat, I'm gonna go and open the composer now. Now see, the composer is more powerful than chat. It opens all the files, whatever the files it's creating, it updates each and every file, and then you can see that what changes are there. Okay, so just hit it enter. I'll just quickly remove all the commands which I don't want, here and here. Okay, so it is saying I will help you create product detail page cart functionalities. Let me break this down into steps. Like it is searching entire code and everything, and just run the command. Definitely you have to run the command. So as soon as you run this one, see this one, it will be running over here, then it will be taking the next step. So it is on behalf of you, it is going one by one. You don't have to do anything over here. That ran, that's fine, and it is that is pulled your instructions over here. Okay, so it got everything ready. Now you will need to create the new next instructions. So it is working as a software engineer, like a pair programmer for you, right? So you already have created this one within literally in minutes. Now the second point is that as I was telling that I didn't open any file. It has created that a context card over here. I didn't connect this one to the backend. In the next video, I'm gonna connect this one to the backend. So it will be having like front end and the backend, both will be working fine together, and then we'll try deploying that one, so that you will be having entire application up and ready. So it's so simple. Now in 2025 you have to follow these instructions, then only you become a good software engineer. If you are not, you will be replaced very soon. So keep upskilling yourself. Okay. Okay, so it has creating that interface. Okay, so I do accept this one, then only it will be going to the next instruction. So now it's creating the product detail page. Just need to wait over here. That's fine. It is creating the product detail page. I do accept that one. That's fine. No errors detected. If any error got detected, it will check those errors and resolve by itself. So you just need to read those responses, and then if you see that those responses are fine, you are good to go. But the thing is that who should use this one? In the meantime, I'll just explain. So the thing is that if you are new to software engineering and then directly jumping into it, so you will get um, I don't want to discourage you, but the thing is that you should know the basic concepts, like what is React, how React works, what is front end, what is back end, some basic principles. Okay. If you have any doubt on that, again, do let me know in the comment section below. Plus, one of the most important point, you can join my channel, which has multiple levels. That is starters. That is second point is builder, and the third point is experts. So in starters, if you join my channel in starters, so I'll help you out, answering your comments in the comment section as a priority basis. If you join the builder, so I will help you out, give you videos related to your content, right, and creating somewhat content. If you got stuck somewhere, I'm gonna create video for you if you joined a builder program, a builder level, something like that, the channel. And then finally the expert in the expert, I'm gonna give you all the project which I created in my repo. I'm gonna give you that entire project to you, so that you can fork it and start implementing that one in your local machine, and then show to the people that okay, this is what you can build and everything, right? So those many instructions you can follow. Okay, so yeah, so over here it is doing all sorts of stuff. So I'll just keep waiting for let it finish. Now the thing is that if I go over here, I can't see anything, but as you can imagine that just a single command, it is following my all instructions and then creating entire things. Okay, now it has changed everything. Now you have to see this status over there here saying that completed. Now 7 file got changed and you have to select yes. As soon as you're selecting yes, see over here, now if I refresh this one, that's fine, that is there, those many stars were there. If I click this one, it is there. I'm going to come into the next page. It created the carousel, that's fine. So those are the random file that is not responsive, but you got the point, right? It created the review as well, that is really good. I didn't ask about creating the reviews, but it did. That's really amazing. I'm gonna create like, okay, access size Excel, and I'm gonna black or something like that, hit enter and add. First of all, what I understood, like in the product page, the carousel is not responsive, first of all. So I'm gonna go over here in the product, that is product detail page, this is the one, right? Okay, so in the product details page, can you make these changes? Make carousel images responsive, and each image must be in the same size for now. Okay, second point is that oh, before that, see this one, I'm getting those many ESLint errors. Menu is not defined, navigation is not defined. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy these many things, and then I add to composer. Okay, I'll do like that. So I'll just cut this one, and then just need to select those things and then add to composer, and then just add can you fix it. And if you see over here, just type react at react. Now this time react came, and then here just type material UI, hit it, run it. Okay, so you might have got one more question that what if I don't wanna keep repeating that react material UI one more time? Do we have a place somewhere we can tell this composer, telling that okay, go to that instruction template or something like that, whatever the instruction I'm providing to you, just read that instruction first every time before you suggesting or updating my code? Yes, you can do that one with the .cursor rules file. On the root directory, you have to create .cursor rules file, and then you are good to go. But I didn't want to make those things complicated. I just wanted to keep it very simple. If you want that video as well, please do let me know. I will help you out, okay? In the definitely the comment section below. Okay, so that ran successfully, that got changed over here. Again, that ran successfully, no errors, no linter errors or nothing. Let me go and refresh this one. That's fine. Okay, so if I go back in the home page and check it, that's fine. Okay, so that is still going on. Actually, I'm not doing anything. Let's see. Yeah, so the cursor rule is available there. I will help you out like how we can use cursor rules in our project and in later videos. But I do like, you know, individually typing that what instruction I have to follow, so that it won't take much time for you for, you know, checking all the instructions. For example, I'm building this website using React and Material React. Those are the front-end components library, front-end libraries, right? I use those instructions, but at the time of building the backend, so why should I tell my composer that, hey, you should read the instruction of React.js and Material React one more time? I don't want to do that one. I have to be super clear that if I'm giving some instructions, you need to follow only those docs. That's the reason I'm just following. Keep it really simple and you are good to go. Okay, just run this one. And then if you see and refresh this and go back here, okay, so those many things are there. Let me see that. Okay, so let's select the size and color. That's fine. Okay, so yeah, see this one, it has been adding over here. So if I go here, that is there. I'm adding over here. If I go back, buy now instructions, select the size. Okay, so that is there. Proceed to checkout and continue shopping. It is coming back over here. Yeah, those many instructions are created there. That's pretty good. Now in the next video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna connect this one to the backend. So to connect this one to the backend, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start a Docker machine and PostgreSQL in the backend. Those two containers will be communicating with each other, and I'm gonna launch that container with the Docker Compose. So if you do know Docker, that is really good. If you don't know, I have created this series in my YouTube channel. If you follow that one, that would be great. And again, if you don't know Docker, stop working in a software engineering field. You should know Docker. Okay, Docker is really important. Docker, Linux are the bread and butter for the software engineers. You should know Docker for in 2025, and those are the survival skills you should know to become a good programmer, and then you are good to go. Okay, so follow all the instruction, and please do join my channels, because I'll be keep posting members only videos, members only post. I'm gonna having the chatbot there, all the discords there, programmer discords there, all sorts of stuff, right? So do let me know if you have any questions, and please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you around. Bye bye.